Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and on behalf of UK Trade and Investment and West Midlands Chambers of Commerce, can I welcome you here to the Ricoh Arena and this Explore Export event. Today is about many things. It's about learning about markets and the opportunities within them, making contact with experts from these markets, and talking to other advisors who are here to help you in your endeavours to either start exporting or develop your export potentials. It's also about networking with like-minded individuals.
These guys out there, you're paying for them. They work for you. Go and push them, get them to do what you want for your business.
We can provide you with any kind of support or service that you may require. If we can't, we know somebody who can.
We have a lot of knowledge about the different sectors. So if you tell us your objectives, we will be able to tell you how to go about achieving them.
We can help you to prepare by conducting tailored research, arrange a visit programme, provide briefing, introduce you to contacts and help you to build and maintain relationships.
We absolutely do encourage you to talk to us about how we could organise an event for you, whether it's a product launch or a service launch.
And we can also accompany you to visits of trade fairs and make introductions to companies.
All 70 of us out there today, we provide a very good service, very good value service, and we can provide a whole range of help. I think my question to you is probably, or my challenge, you ask us what we can do and we will do it.